Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how we can use button component in React Native CLI by using functional or class component. So for that, I create a new component here. I say button example.jsx. And here I say RAFCE, so it's create a button component, and here in place of div I say view because we have to use view here. Then I replace it also. So after that I need to create a button, so I say here the button component of React Native like this, and I close it like that. And here we have to use title. Here I have to give press me like this button we have. So if I save this first of all for button, and I insert this here in app component. For that, what I do, I remove this all, no need of this, and I remove all the CSS setting also that I did in the last video. No need of this here. Remove all this, save this. Now I insert here the button example, so button component like that, and I remove this hello world, no need of this, like this, and I remove all these extra links also, no need of this comments. Save this, and you will see that we have a button. So this component is adding a button using functional component because it's a functional component. Now what we can do here more, you see that we have set the property here, and here we say flex start this. So if I want to put into the center of the screen, so I say center, save this. So we have in the center of this like that. If I want to set this on the top of the screen, so I say flex start, and here I can say center. Save this. You see at the top of the screen in the center we have. We will see more about this in a flexbox class, but here we are using button. So here in the button I can change the color. I say color of this is red. Save this. You see the color is changed into red. We have here the event that name is onPress. Under this I say handle press. Save this. So here I have this handle, it's generating an error because this is not available right now. So I say const handle press equal to arrow function like this. Save this. You see it will remove the error. Now we want to print some message, so I say alert dot alert, and here I need to pass two text. First is the heading, so I say information. Second is the message, so I say welcome to React Native CLI, and I just save this. And we have to import here alert also because otherwise it will generate error. So I need to import here alert from React Native. Save this, and you will see whenever I will press here, so I will have the welcome to React Native CLI. So this is the information as a heading, and we have the message there. So this is the onPress. So whenever I click on this, we have this function will press. So in place of on click, we have a onPress here. So this button is a self closing tag here, self closing component. We do not use just like a closing tag. So button in React Native use as a self closing tag. Okay, and This is the example of using the functional. We have used functional component here. Now I give you example how you can convert this functional component into class component. For that we have to use RCC, that is the snippets here, and I call it. So we have the React, so I remove this React here. Then this button is available and we have import here, very good. And I have to copy this, so I copy this one from here, from the return, and I need to paste here. First thing is done. Now I need to copy this function and I need to press inside a class. So here I press this, paste this function, I save this. So I have to remove the const keyword because it's class here, and here I need to call this because it's a class, so we have to call with this example. Now because we have a two object of same name, so I need to make it comment like that, save this, and you will see that everything we have, and we have export here. So I need to remove this from here, save this, and you see both are similar right now. So we are exporting here, and we have this function here using this, we have this. So earlier we are using functional component, now we convert it to the class component, and if I click here, same output, same designing, everything is same. So in both function and class we have a same kind of output. But if you are object oriented programmer lovers, you like class, so you can use like this. And if you are a pure JavaScript programmer, don't like class, then you can use functional component. Both are equivalent, both are useful, both are look same. So that's all in this video about the button. In next video we will see how we can use state variable with button, and lot more we will see in next videos. So if you like it, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.